The food business may be getting more exciting, more inspiring, and more creative, but it definitely isn't getting any easier. Whether you're trying to keep up with the flavor trends that change at the speed of a tweet, or racing to beat your competitors to market with the next big menu innovation, you're facing more challenges than ever. That's why Ventura Foods is delivering more solutions than ever. Because we're not just a food manufacturer, we're a food innovation company. Our goal is simple: to provide tailored solutions to your unique business challenges. That's why we offer exclusive products made just for you and a vast portfolio of ready-to-go solutions for professional kitchens. From flavor enhancers like dressings, sauces, condiments, and mayonnaise, to cooking products like margarines and oils, and finally, dessert and beverage mixes. Our products are trusted by over 80% of the top 100 restaurant chains, distributors, and retailers in America. It's also why we provide a comprehensive suite of services, including food innovation, category management, product training, oil risk management, digital and e-commerce, and customer service advisors. Many food trends start in restaurants. Our unique combination of consumer insights, culinary expertise, and restaurant industry partnerships, combined with robust product development capabilities, gives us the power to turn an emerging flavor trend into a national food phenomenon for restaurants and retailers alike. With innovation centers and plants across the United States and partners in Mexico and the Philippines, our ever-expanding production and packaging capabilities allow us and our customers to go to market with remarkable efficiency, exporting products to 60 countries across Latin America, the Middle East, and Asia Pacific. Every great journey begins with a single step. To help you get where you want to go, the first step is to identify your needs and build an engagement plan. From there, we connect you with our experts and resources to provide consumer and market intelligence, culinary inspiration, and specific product solutions. Next, we provide you with the production and services to bring your product idea to market. Finally, we support your growth with training, performance monitoring, marketing, and continued engagement with our team of experts. Of course, what a food manufacturer makes is not what makes a food manufacturer. Great people, trusted partners, and a clear sense of purpose are the real defining aspects of our business. So while it's true that the food business may not be getting any easier, working with people like you makes it more rewarding than ever and inspires us to keep innovating. Ventura Foods. Together, we make food extraordinary.